Now that we have our sample application ready, let's go ahead and write a UI test. So to begin with, let me create a directory called UI test. And yeah, let's initialize Playwright in this npm init Playwright at latest. So this should initialize Playwright. In the meantime, let me just try and bring up the sample application. Oh, okay. Yeah, let me just keep the sample application on the side and get this thing running. I'll keep it. I'll click install the browsers. Okay, there you go. So the folder is initialized. So let me open the folder here. So that is it. It's in my documents. UI test. Alright, so now that it's here, you can see the sample tests are already there, but I'm just not going to use it for now. Let me create a quick a folder and call it as end-to-end. So this will be the first set of tests that I'll write, and then we'll continue to refactor these tests. Okay, and let me call it as registration.spec.ts. Now for me to use this website, I need to register. So here are some of the registration details where I need to enter my first name all the way to SSN and some username and password. Let's go ahead and automate this. So that's my Visual Studio Code. Here it is. And all right, let's try. Start with an import. I need to add some tests and also assert a few values. So let me write the first Playwright test. So to start this test, I need to start with the test function. Let me call it the registration, and it will be async. And the page. Oh. And let's open the page. So in this case, let me just copy the page details. Of course, it's this URL that I would need. That's the registration page, and then so I need to input a few values into the fields, right? So let me inspect and find the field names. Okay, let's just use the classic name, which is customer.firstname. No. So I'm going to give an input which is name equal to customer.firstname. And the name will be John. So input name equal to customer.last name. And for the rest of it, I've just copied over what I prepared earlier. Yeah, so what should I do about the registration button? So I can actually use this locator called get by role, which will actually get by the type of the element, UI element in this case, which is button. So type the name, which is register for the button, and yeah, all that I have to do is click on this button, right? So page.get by text, I need to now make sure that the registration is successful. So what I do is, I'll get this text, which is your account was created successfully, you are logged in. And this must be visible. So I can use this session call to be visible. Just confirming one. So all that I'm doing is getting this page by text and validating that this particular text is there. So let me just make it single quotes and validating whether a particular text is visible or not. I can also truncate this and keep it for better readability. Yep. Now let me just open my terminal and try to run this. Oh, by the way, since I was testing earlier, I used Jonto 6. I'm just incrementing the username because username is a primary variable. So to run this, npx playwright test -g registration. Oh, I forgot to add the hash rocket symbol, so I just added it, and that's one of the reasons the test failed. Okay, so just I just clear this. Okay, now it seems to be all right. By the way, so if I have to run the test, I need to give multiple usernames for each browser instance. So I'll have to make sure that we run this only on one browser instance. So I'm gonna comment this out. So this way it runs only on one browser instance. Otherwise it will end up setting an error on other browser instances. So now let's do this. Npx test -g registration. Let's run in headed mode. Okay, that it passed. So all that we did is open the registration page using the page.goto and filled out all the fields. Got the registration button by this get by role option, and then we also validated whether the registration was successful or not. Let's move on to the next test, the next chapter.